Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this product. It's kind of basic, not the most glamorous makeup product, yet I am so excited about this, and when I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. So this is from ChapStick. It's the Total Hydration Moisture and Tint. So I picked this up in the pink nude shade, and I actually got this from Dollar General. So you might have seen this in my huge Dollar General makeup haul video, but if you have not seen that video, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I love chapsticks or even just like lip balms in general, but even more when they have a tint of color to them. Like you can probably tell, my lips are chapped right now, and I feel like when they're chapped and dry, they just look so dull. So to be able to add hydration and color is pretty much exactly what I'm looking for, to just amp up any makeup look, really. So this says 100% naturally sourced ingredients, advanced moisturizing formula with maracuja and jojoba oils, instantly smooths and moisturizes, enhances natural lip color. So like I said, I got this from Dollar General and it only cost $4.50 at Dollar General, but then I was looking this up online and you can get it at a bunch of different places. I saw it at Target, even Ulta, for $4.99. So Dollar General has the lowest price that I've seen, which I'm glad about because I just kind of picked this up on a whim, but glad that I got kind of a deal on it. I also saw that it comes in maybe like 5 other shades and a variety of different colors, and they all looked so pretty. It was hard for me to decide what color to choose. And I feel like the packaging on it is just like a little bit more amped up compared to a classic chapstick. And so just twists up easily like this. Let's see if there's a smell. At first I didn't smell anything, but now like I get a very faint fruity aroma maybe. Oh, I'm so excited to put this onto my chapped lips right now, but before I do that, let's do a swatch to see what that color really looks like. So yeah, I mean, it really is just a barely there tint. Here's what that swatch looks like. I see a little bit of shine, so it definitely looks moisturizing. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on my lips. I mean, what's great about this is that it could not be any easier or quicker to apply. And it definitely seems to be nourishing, hydrating my lips. And really though, the color difference is barely noticeable at all. So this is the pink nude shade, which is one of the lighter shades. I mean, they had like more red tones, berry tones that I think would make more of a noticeable difference. But to me, a good nude lip color is similar to my natural lip color. So this is kind of what I was expecting and hoping for when I chose this shade. But for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more and see what we can build up for color. So I'll insert a before and after split image so that you can see the color difference, but it is very slight, but I think it is just a pretty nude color to wear on the lips, and it really only claimed to enhance natural lip color, and I would say that's what it did. It gave the slightest bit of color, the slightest bit of shine, but best of all, it moisturized my chapped, dry lips. And to me, this is a lip color that I feel very comfortable wearing at any time, so this is a great product for me to just bring with me and throw on anytime, anywhere. And I kind of want to do a kiss test just to see what the transfer looks like. Yeah, so I mean, there's a little hint of a kiss mark, but since it is just such a light tint of color to the lips, you don't really have to worry about lipstick transfer getting onto anything. But I will say after the kiss test, like it did come off of my lips a bit and kind of makes me want to apply even more. But it is just so quick and easy to apply. And I really like the feel of it, completely comfortable to wear on the lips. So I am happy with this, and it's pretty much everything I was expecting, but I would definitely want to try this in other shades. Since now I know that I do like the formula, maybe for different types of makeup looks, if I'd rather do like a berry, purpley shade or more of a red tint, I would love to get more of these. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out the ChapStick Total Hydration Moisture and Tint in any other shades and which ones are your favorites. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.